What's up everyone? Today we're doing a full build video of this detolf size diorama. If you're not familiar with that, that's a shelf that a lot of action figure collectors use, toy collectors in general, and it's sold at IKEA. So this is designed to fit directly in there on one of those shelves. So there was a ton of clips for this because I didn't build it all at once. It came to, I don't know, it was like 6 or 8 hours worth of clips. There's probably like 20 or 30 clips in there. And originally I was going to talk over the whole thing and go step by step, but I decided, I was going to try something a little different. So I just edited down the footage and then sped it up by 20 times and just going to let the whole thing run through here. And there's some pictures at the very end of how it turned out. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So lots of times one of the hardest things to do is to just give like a little bit of depth. You want to add details and stuff that kind of pop off the wall a little bit. Otherwise, it does start to look sort of boring. So here I decided just to pop some of the bricks out here and there. And this is something a lot of people do. I just kind of made them crooked and cut them out with a knife. Um, some people use like a hot wire thing, not the hot wire, but it's like actually like a rod. It's called a hot knife, but it doesn't look like a knife. Um, you'll look it up, you'll see what I mean. But yeah, so I just put these at different angles and stuff. And when you go ahead and light this or to take a picture of it, you can kind of get some cool shadows casting off of the bricks that are sticking out, and it just gives it kind of a nice look. wanted to mention that I lost the footage where I actually painted these rivets silver, but it's pretty self-explanatory. So here it is all finished up. These are some pictures from my Instagram that I added some extra diorama pieces in for an effect. So I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe. Thanks, everyone.